dogs are all over. Open the door. Let go of the lead. Let go. Right. Hang on, let me do the talking. You're just too busy laughing. Right? I want you to grab it and eat it. When they get a reaction, just say, did you know in survival you can eat dog poop? Mom! Holly stepped in some dog poop.
I stepped on some dog poop.
Oh my god, it's so weird. Look.
Oh, right, take it to the bathroom.
Okay.
Don't take in the kitchen.
Right. Hoss, come here. Right. Holly.
It's disgusting.
No.
Holly.
Present.
No.
Did you know that on survival
Don't
you can eat dog poop?
Ew.
What is that?
Ew.
It's dog poop.
It's not dog poop. You
It
just
is.
ate it. What is it?
Oh my god, dog poop is actually delicious. You should try it, Holly.
No, these are mad. Just try to line me up. See, it's dog poop. It's not dog poop at all.
Eat the dog poop, Mom.
Ha! Prank June! It's piece of Freddy!
Piece of what?
Freddy!
All right, here.
Don't worry, it's not poop. It's chocolate. Hey, thanks, Mommy.